Hello and welcome back, everyone, to Infinkey Infopedia. Today, we'll get into all the details and features of the Galaxy A56. The Galaxy A56 is definitely grabbing attention and creating a lot of excitement in the tech world. While Samsung hasn't officially announced when it will launch, we're expecting it to come out in early 2025, following the trend set by the Galaxy A55, which debuted in March 2024. As we wait, leaks are giving us a glimpse of what the A56 will offer, including powerful performance and a sleek design. So let's find out what makes this phone so special. Recently, the Galaxy A56 made an appearance on Geekbench, and the specs are truly impressive. With the model number Samsung A56B, it boasts a powerful processor featuring one prime core clocked at 2.91 GHz, 3 mid-cores at 2.60 GHz, and 4 efficiency cores at 1.95 GHz. This setup ensures you'll enjoy smooth performance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, making the A56 a fantastic choice for all your needs. Now, let's dive into graphics. The A56 will feature the new Exynos 1580 processor alongside the Exynos 540 graphics processor, which promises to elevate your gaming and video experiences to a whole new level. With Cortex A720 and Cortex A520 cores, you can also expect enhanced efficiency and responsiveness, ensuring a smooth and visually stunning performance. The Galaxy A56 scored an impressive 1353 for single-core performance, making it excellent for quick tasks like app launches and web browsing. Its standout multi-core score of 3832 shows it can handle heavy lifting with ease. Whether you're gaming, streaming high-definition videos, or multitasking, the A56 ensures a smooth experience without lag, positioning itself as a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market that's ready for anything you throw at it. The Galaxy A56 is set to run on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7.0, giving you access to all the latest features right out of the box. This combination ensures a smooth and intuitive user experience, making navigation a breeze. The model tested on Geekbench featured 8GB of RAM, making it perfect for multitasking. You can effortlessly switch between social media, streaming, and browsing without any lag. Plus, it's expected to come in various memory configurations, catering to different storage needs. As for the price, early estimates suggest it could be around £439 or approximately $550, which positions the A56 as a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. A56 promises to be a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a reliable and feature-packed device. So, that's all about the Galaxy A56. It looks like a promising addition to the smartphone market, and we are eager to see how it performs once it's released. What do you think about its features? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please share your opinions and questions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all the latest tech news, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.